Unfolding Nature's Ladder, the Marvel of Tree Ferns. Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode on our channel, where we dive into the wonders of the English language and its terms inspired by the natural world. Today, we're unraveling the mystery behind a fascinating phrase, tree fern. So, sit back, and let's embark on a linguistic journey into the heart of the forest. When we hear the phrase, tree fern, it's like a beautiful marriage of two familiar words, tree and fern. But what does it really mean? A tree fern doesn't just refer to any tree or fern. It's a specific type of plant that belongs to the fern family. These are not your typical small, bushy ferns that might adorn your garden. Tree ferns are tall, can have a trunk-like structure, and unfurl large fronds from the top, resembling a tree. They are ancient plants that bring a prehistoric touch to the landscapes they inhabit. Beyond just a term to describe a plant, tree ferns carry a weight of historical and ecological significance. They've been on Earth for millions of years, much older than many other plants we see today. They thrive in moist, shady forests and are often found in areas that are primeval and untouched. Learning about tree ferns opens a window into the past, showing us what some parts of the world might have looked like in the time of the dinosaurs. Now, let's see how we can use tree fern in a sentence to enhance our English vocabulary. The hikers admired the towering tree ferns that shaded the forest path. In her botanical garden, Mary cultivated a variety of ferns, but her pride was the majestic tree fern by the pond. Interestingly, tree fern can sometimes be used metaphorically. It might represent something that is ancient yet still thriving, or perhaps it could symbolize natural beauty that is unassuming but majestic. So when you encounter a person or an idea that seems to stand tall and graceful against the test of time, you might say it has the quality of a tree fern. And that, dear viewers, is a glimpse into the rich tapestry of language where a simple phrase like tree fern opens up a world of meaning. We hope this episode not only broadens your English vocabulary but also your appreciation for the living history among us. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to exploring more fascinating phrases with you. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.